Every great potato chip begins here, in the fertile potato fields of Idaho. Specialized harvesters lift potatoes carefully, reducing damage before factory processing even begins. Only carefully selected potatoes continue their journey to the factory.
Fresh harvests are transported quickly to preserve quality and freshness. Now, the industrial transformation begins.
Every potato is thoroughly washed to remove dirt before entering the food production process.
Removing stones protects expensive equipment and keeps the production line running safely.
Advanced optical scanners inspect every potato faster than the human eye.
Steam loosens the skin quickly, reducing waste while preserving more of the potato.
Now perfectly peeled, the potatoes are ready for precision slicing. One final inspection removes hidden defects before precision slicing begins. Uniform slices cook evenly, creating the perfect texture in every potato chip.
Excess starch is removed for a lighter texture and crispier finished chips.
Removing moisture helps every chip fry safely with an even golden finish. The real transformation begins as every slice enters carefully controlled cooking oil. Controlled heat transforms soft potato slices into crispy golden chips.
Heat changes everything.
Precise temperature control keeps every chip evenly cooked from beginning to end. Removing excess oil creates a lighter texture and a cleaner finished product.
Cooling stabilizes every chip before seasoning is carefully applied. Smart vision systems reject imperfect chips before seasoning begins.
Large rotating drums prepare every chip for consistent flavor coating. Automated dispensers apply precise seasoning for consistent taste. In controlled movement helps distribute flavor evenly across every chip. Recovery systems reduce waste by collecting seasoning that would otherwise be lost. Only chips meeting strict quality standards continue toward packaging. Every chip bag starts as a giant roll of food-safe packaging film. High-speed printers apply colorful designs with perfect accuracy on every package.
Lamination protects the package from moisture, light, and everyday handling.
Automated machines shape flat film into strong, airtight chip bags. Nitrogen cushions the chips and keeps them fresh during transportation.
Now every empty bag is ready for fresh potato chips.
Computer-controlled weighers fill every bag with the exact amount of chips. Airtight seals lock in freshness and protect every chip inside. Every package is inspected before it leaves the production line. Robots prepare every shipment for fast and efficient nationwide distribution. Industrial robots stack every carton with speed and remarkable precision. Protective wrapping keeps every shipment secure throughout transportation. Smart warehouses track every pallet from production to final delivery. Every shipment is carefully loaded for safe delivery across the country. From Idaho farms to American shelves, every bag completes an incredible journey.